Yay! It's the last day of the 30-day challenge and the 30-day video blitz. I have to say I missed a couple of days in the middle, but I've caught up now. This is the last one. I haven't missed any in a total, so I'm very excited to share some of the things that I've learnt. If you'd like to make sure you don't miss any more tips and hints and stuff like that, and carry on the journey with me, then please do like and subscribe down below, and let's do this journey together. So what have I learnt on this 30-day blitz? Well, loads of things. I mean, I'm still not even halfway through the course, but I've been running as fast as I can along with everyone else to keep up with this course, and I've learnt tons. So perhaps one of the first things to learn about video is that it is here to stay, that it's going to be the way for the future, at least for the foreseeable future. Maybe in the future beyond that, there's going to be different things that even better than video, but the format will change. It'll be longer, it'll be shorter. People's concentration will wane or increase depending on what you are doing and what platform you're on. But definitely number one is video is here to stay. And then number two, what else? Well, we need to learn our audience and not just speak to a generic audience. And that's the same with any attraction marketing. We need to speak to that one person, and I'm speaking to you right now. Learn to speak to our one person that is going to be, it's our avatar that's going to really vibe with us, and that is going to want to join with us in our journey, whether it's with a network marketing company or if you're a coach or whatever. It's something that you want to do. So if you're wanting to learn more about video, please make sure you keep on watching and we can learn together. Soon the course that I did with Harbert is going to be reopened, and you'll be able to join the course as well, so learn more lovely stuff like I've been learning. And thirdly, I've learned all about different softwares that you can use, the amazing CapCut, which is fantastic, and of course Canva, which I used before, but there's all more to that as well. But the fact is that you actually don't necessarily need to use any of those. It depends on your market audience and how eloquent you are straight away. If you can do a video straight through without making any, well, not even without making any mistakes. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. Depends on what your audience is going to be looking for, what your avatar is going to be looking for. But nevertheless, there's the software is fantastic for all sorts of things if you're trying to get something exactly the right amount of time or whatever. So that's another thing I've learned. What else have I learned? So I think the biggest thing the biggest breakthrough for me is that we shouldn't be just talking about, if at all, about our product or our service. Almost, it's like that's an aside, that's something that comes later. We're just wanting that person, that avatar that we're talking to get to know, like, and trust us, so that when we can talk to them in private, in personal message, or even on the phone, or in person if we're around in the same area as them. But it's more of a case of we do that privately off the screen. That's something that we do later, and we're not just blaring out the content, the product, because if we mention the name of the product in Facebook at least, then they're just going to go and Google it and, bypass you. What's the point? So the purpose more of the video is to have someone to get to know, like, and trust you, and then they'll want to buy through you, not through internet, not through Google, not through Amazon. Of course, on YouTube, that is one of the highest search engines, so you can do separate videos directly about the product in there if that's your intention, to do reviews or something like that. But generally, it's not a good idea to actually talk about your brand directly. You can just talk about the effects it's had for you. Just become an expert in your field. So if you've enjoyed watching my videos, or even if it's the first time, then I would love it if you could subscribe if you haven't already, if you could make some comments and ask any questions about the course and stuff, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks so much for watching. I will be doing more videos, but this is just the last one of the 30-day challenge, and it's been a blast. And I've loved working with everyone else in the group, especially Cheryl, my accountability buddy. So cheers, and we'll carry on supporting each other. If you'd like to join in with the fun, then make sure you get in touch. Bye for now.